Bull. Bull. Sonic, why'd you do that? Because you weren't listening to me. Now why'd you steal my headphones again? Will you please let me have your headphones? Fine, I'll let you have my headphones. Yay! If you ask me. Listen, Bull. Okay. So, make sure you ask me if you can have them. Then, I will say yes. If you don't ask me, I will get mad at you again. Okay, Sonic. Now is it a deal? I guess. All right. Good. Now, who let Santa Dog punch me? Was it you? Did you punch me? No, it was Santa Dog. No, please. No, it was Santa Dog. Santa Dog! Santa Dog! Santa Dog! What? Did you punch me? No, it was Bull. I promise. No, Bull said no, and he never lies. He never lies. Okay, fine. I'm fine. It was Nacho. Why would Nacho do such a thing? He's a dog. Dogs would do that. Actually, dogs would do that. But still, I don't think he did that. Look at him. He's having trouble getting up on his other side. So don't do it again. Okay, I promise. I won't do it again. Okay, Sonic? That's good. Okay. Okay. Good. Oh, hi. What? Who are you? Oh, hi, I'm Mickey Mouse. I'm a really nice person. What about you? I'm Sonic. We kind of look like each other. No. You're a mouse. Squeak, squeak, you should be tiny.